Alright, so today we're unboxing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I'm just gonna open this up. Alright, this is what we have here. Okay, so we have the Osmo Action 5 Pro in here, and we have the accessory box. And we have the selfie stick inside the box here. Material. I'll take this off here. Nice, has the logo DJI Action. The accessories, clips, USB cable, manual stickers, a little charging box, QR codes. Very nice. Got this package where it came with the 3 extra batteries, so, and its case, so that always comes in handy. And then we have the 3 batteries. Look at that, just charged up. So I'm gonna number them 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Okay, let's see what this button's for. We got that. I guess that's just to let us know the state of the battery, where it's at. Okay, that goes on the bottom of the Osmo. Now, star of the show. Okay, Osmo Action 5 Pro. Charge through there. This is where this clips on. It has the magnet, which has a good thing. It has a magnet, right? But you want to make sure that it goes in here. Good material, thick. Thicker than the other type of stuff that I bought from DJI. Material is stronger. It's rugged. Well, the case feels nice. Okay, I like the way it opens. So it kind of just slides in there. Okay, we'll take a look at that. Supposed to take probably this out first. We'll read the manuals. It's always good to read the manual. That's where they got one, right? But here, so it looks like it goes on backwards, and then it goes in backwards, just like that. Then you clip it in place, and it's secured. Very nice. And then we have this here, which are the clamp nuts. Clamp it onto here. Look at that. It just goes onto the camera itself. So it's locked onto the camera itself. It's not onto the cage or anything like that. And obviously you put this in here to whatever it is that you're gonna attach it to. Feels good material. Have here some more attachments. I guess this is for here. Yes, and then we have another attachment in case we lose this one to another adapter. Okay, and that's it.